Hi guys, I'm Mrs. Bray and I am here to talk to you today about converting improper fractions. Okay, so improper fractions means that the top number is larger than the bottom number. So you can see in this first example 11 thirds. Okay, so you can't have 11 pieces of something that there's only 3 pieces. This bottom number tells you how many pieces there are. So it's talking about in each circle there's 3 pieces. They got the 11 by adding up the pieces in all these different circles that were shaded. So that is one way to write that. There are 11 thirds here. But it's considered an improper fraction because the top is larger than the bottom. If you look over, the other way they have that written is called a mixed number. And it's saying I have 3 wholes because in these circles, all 3 sections are shaded. And 2 thirds because in this last one, only 2 of the thirds are shaded. So both are correct. It's just 2 different ways of writing it. This says 3 2/3. And this says 11 thirds. So, looking at the next one, it's given us our mixed number is 3 wholes and 2 fifths, because 2 is what's left shaded in our last circle. So, the easy way to do this, you can sit and count up each little section and see how many there are and put it over 5. Because our circles are divided into 5 sections. Or you can say, well, I know each of these has 5. 5 times 3 is 15. And then you've got 2 left over. So 16, 17. And you'll get the improper fraction, 17 fifths. And if you count them all up, you'll see that there are 17 shaded. All right. Moving on to number 3. They have not given us our mixed number to start with, but it's pretty easy to figure out. You look, we have 3 circles that are completely shaded in. So that's our whole number. We have 3 whole, let's say, pizzas. Okay? Then in this last one, it's divided into 4 sections. And only one of them is shaded. So we have 1/4. That means our mixed number is 3 1/4. But if we wanted to write that as an improper fraction, we would want to include all of the slices individually that are in these pizzas. So each one of these 3 have 4 slices. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus we had one more shaded in this last one. So we had 13 slices that were shaded in. And each of those slices is 1/4 of, let's call it a pizza. So we had 13 fourths. And that's how you convert mixed numbers to improper fractions.